Ahoy mateys, and welcome back to a new video. This will be part 2 of my custom wall-mounted Slimer arcade build. Took the arcade outside and painted it with matted black paint. Also painted the controller board. This is what it looked like after. Then sanded everything down. Then moved on to cutting the acrylic pieces for the controller board and marquee. Attempted to use a handsaw the first time, and then moved on to jigsaw and a table saw for future cuts. My friend wanted an infinity mirror marquee. Cut a piece of reflective window film for the back part of the box. Then cut a piece with a two-way infinity mirror film for the front part of the box. Use some soapy water and apply the infinity mirror film to the acrylic front piece. Trim the sides. Install the back box piece, then the reflective window film. This is what it looked like after. Then moved on to drilling a hole for the LED light strip. This is what it looked like after. Installed wooden dowels and Velcro to hold down the front piece of the box into place. This is what it looked like after. Glued the other side of the Velcro to the front piece of the acrylic. Then installed the front piece. This is what it looked like after. Most likely I'm going to create a new front piece. I'm not 100% sure on this one. Went outside and started cutting all the holes for the acrylic buttons, joystick, and cup holders. Sanded out each hole. moved on to applying the first piece of vinyl decal, the Slimer controller board piece. Looking good. Cut out each hole with an X-Acto knife. Trimmed up the sides. Place the new controller board acrylic onto the controller board and then remove the plastic film. Oh yeah! Moved on to installing the arcade buttons, joysticks, and cup holders. Using sandwell buttons and joysticks for this build. Install the joystick extenders with plumber's tape. Dropped in the cup holders. This is what it'll look like after. And that's it for this video. In the next video, I'm going to install the computer, cables for the sandwell buttons, joystick, and controller buttons. Also, front vinyl decals, speakers, and amp. If you like this video and want to see more, kidney shot the like button, throat check the subscribe button, and curb stomp the bell for future video notifications. Until next time, buckos, it's the Arcade Pirates sailing out.